Can I reverse an EFT payment made through Capitec Bank, and what is the procedure for doing so?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are going to talk about whether it's possible to reverse an EFT payment made through Capitec Bank, and if so, how to do it. EFT payments, or electronic funds transfers, are common, but sometimes you might need to reverse one. So, let's get started.
Can I reverse an EFT payment at Capitec Bank?
The first question we need to address is, can you reverse an EFT payment at Capitec Bank? The answer to this is yes, it is possible, but it is not guaranteed and it depends on several factors. As with many banks, reversing an EFT payment is a bit more complex than making one. Reversals typically involve communicating with both banks and the recipient of the funds, and they may not always be successful.
Why might a reversal be necessary?
There could be several reasons why a reversal might be necessary. You may have accidentally sent money to the wrong account, or maybe you paid the wrong amount. Regardless of the reason, time is of the essence in these situations.
What is the procedure to reverse an EFT payment?
To reverse an EFT payment at Capitec Bank, follow these steps. 1. Contact Capitec Bank immediately. Time is of the essence, so do this as soon as you realize a mistake has been made. The sooner you alert them, the better chance you have of stopping the payment. 2. Provide all necessary information. Be prepared to provide details of the transaction, including the amount, the account number it was sent to, the date of the transaction, and the reason for the reversal. 3. Wait for the investigation. The bank will need to investigate your claim, which may include contacting the recipient's bank and the recipient themselves. This process can take some time, so be patient. 4. Outcome of the request. If the investigation finds in your favor and the recipient does not dispute the reversal, then the funds may be returned to you. If not, then the funds may be lost. Remember, it is important to check all details carefully before making an EFT payment to avoid this situation. Reversing an EFT payment through Capitec Bank can be a complicated process and is not guaranteed to be successful. That's why it's always better to prevent this situation by double-checking all details before initiating a transfer. However, if you do find yourself needing to reverse a payment, follow these steps and contact the bank immediately. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we wish you all the best in your banking endeavors. Stay safe and take care.